Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a Western Electric desk telephone, and this is Al's telephone from Oklahoma, and he's got a letter here, and he says the current issue being unable to dial out although a dial tone is heard. And so he's had this telephone for a long time, and he says it's always worked great, and then all of a sudden now it doesn't dial out. So basically this is the initial checkout of this telephone, and we're going to go ahead and ring the telephone. I'll let that go one more time. I'll give you some dial tone. Now I'm going to go ahead and try to dial out if you watch the analyzer. So it never breaks dial tone. And so now we want to transmit. You can see that red light, and that's an indication that it's getting a dial tone. But when I transmit into the handset, you can see the light get brighter. So we know it has receive, transmit, and that the telephone rings. But Al is right, it is not dialing out. So what we want to do here is I'm going to go ahead and unplug it from the analyzer. And I have the body loose on this telephone. And I want to give you a look at the inside. So what we want to do now is we want to troubleshoot out the telephone. We want to check the keypad, and we also want to check the network. Now, if it turns out that it is a polarity issue, what we're going to do is go ahead and install a bridge rectifier, so Al doesn't have to worry about any polarity issues in the future. No matter where he plugs this telephone in, it will work. So we'll go ahead and take a short break from the video, and we'll go ahead and start troubleshooting this telephone, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back, and this telephone has been repaired. We went ahead and troubleshooted it out and found that it was a polarity issue, and now we have installed our bridge rectifier circuit, and so no matter where Al plugs this telephone in, he'll never have a problem like that again, and so it will always have proper polarity. So now what we're going to do is our final checks, and I'm going to go ahead and I want to plug our telephone in, but I want to hold the hook switch down, and then we're going to go ahead and ring the telephone. We'll let that go a couple times. I'll give you some dial tone. And then we'll go ahead, if you watch the analyzer, we're going to dial our numbers. I'm going to end in a 2, and then I want to transmit into the handset. So if you watch the red light on the analyzer, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit every time you see that red light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know that this telephone is ringing, it has receive, it has transmit, and that it's dialing out. What we can do now is we can move the telephone over to a regular line. Give you some dial tone. And we'll call a time and temp.
one location in O'Fallon. Offenburg.com. Today is Saturday, September 29th. The time is 5:33. Current temperature 82 degrees. Now the Belleville area weather forecast.
Sunny today with highs in the 70s. Clear tonight, lows around 50. Partly cloudy on Sunday, highs in the 70s.
Okay, now we're going to unplug the telephone, and I'm just going to go ahead and put the body back on. Okay, now that we have the body back on, what we can do is give you some dial tone, and I'll call time and temp one more time.
Good afternoon. Shop online anytime at Offenburg.com. A short drive to great value. Today is Saturday, September 29th. The time is 5:36. Current temperature 82 degrees. Now the Belleville area weather forecast.
Sunny today with highs in the 70s. Clear tonight, lows around 50. Partly cloudy on Sunday, highs in the 70s.
Okay, and now we can call one other number. We'll call my number, give you some dial tone, and it'll be busy. So now that we know that this telephone has been repaired, I will not have to worry about any polarity issues again. And this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. This is Al's Telephone from Oklahoma. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.